How to sign up for Uber Eats Bicycle. Hello everybody. In order to do so, you may follow the step. So open up the Uber driver app on your screen, and once you open it up, you should be finding this. Tap on Get Started and then continue with the process and create an account. You may just go ahead and use any of the method available in order to create up your account. And once you do that, what you need to do is select bicycle as your delivery method. So from this option, choose how you want to earn with Uber. You may scroll down and you should be finding option called Deliver with Bicycle. All you gotta do is select that method and upload the required documents including proof of ID and a profile photo, while also consenting to a background check. And once you do that, you will be signed up for Uber Eats Bicycle. So that is how you do it, following up this method. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.